While getting pimples is a normal, everyday skin condition that affects all of us at one time or another, having them is painful as well as embarrassing. But before you explore ways to get rid of pimples, it's important to know the physiology behind them. For most people, pimples are nothing more than a reflection of skin irritation that results from an infection of the oil-producing glands in the skin. In most cases, the glands become irritated somehow and simply begin to produce too much oil, which results in a saturation of the gland. This excess oil traps bacteria normally found on the skin and causes the infection and the resulting pus production. This is what causes the actual raised area on the skin. While most people believe that using harsh chemicals, vigorous mechanical scrubbing, and even physician-supervised skin peels and laser treatments are the best way to treat occasional pimples, oftentimes these treatments just aggravate the problem and make matters worse. So, for occasional, localized breakouts, here are some great natural remedies that can help you get rid of pimples quickly and painlessly. Number 1. Ice. For a pimple that has not yet resulted in a pus-filled eruption on the skin, ice can be used to reduce swelling and encourage the oil glands to constrict and push out the excess oil and bacteria from the irritated glands. To use ice to discourage the formation of pimples, wrap the ice in a piece of cloth and hold it on the affected skin area for a few seconds. Wait a few minutes and repeat the process. Apply the ice multiple times throughout the day, and the pimple should resolve in just a day or two. Number 2. Lemon. Another great way to resolve pimples is to use fresh lemon juice. The mild citric acid will operate as an antiseptic and kill the bacteria in the gland while working as an astringent to dry up excess oil. There are a couple of ways to apply this remedy. Using a clean, sterile cotton swab, apply the lemon juice to the affected areas prior to bedtime. For more stubborn pimples, create a paste of lemon juice and cinnamon powder and dab onto pimples for all-night treatment. This will help get rid of pimples quickly, but is not recommended for people with sensitive skin. Number 3. Honey. Honey has long been known as a natural antiseptic and can help destroy the bacteria in the oil glands quickly, helping to speed up the healing process. First, use a clean, sterile cotton-tipped application and dab the honey directly onto the skin blemishes, leaving it on for at least 30 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Additionally, you can create a paste with cinnamon powder similar to that of the lemon juice and allow the mixture to remain in contact with the pimples overnight before rinsing. Number 4. Toothpaste. Toothpaste is a great pimple treatment that most people have access to without having to take a trip to the grocery store. Toothpaste is best used as a follow-up to icing to produce the fastest results. It is important to note that white paste must be used rather than gel. Dab some white toothpaste to the affected areas of the skin before bed and leave overnight, rinsing with cool water in the morning. If you aren't going anywhere, you can repeat the process during the day, making sure to leave the toothpaste in contact with the pimples for at least 30 minutes to be effective. Number 5. Steam. Steam has some amazing benefits for the skin, opening up your pores and flushing all the bad stuff out. This works well for people with pimples. First, fill a large pot with hot water from the tap and then position your face so that it comes into contact with the rising steam. Under no circumstances should you allow your skin to come into contact with the hot water, as this can cause scalding. After 30 minutes, gently pat your face dry and apply an oil-free moisturizer over the entire face. These are just a few of the ways you can get rid of pimples quickly and help promote healthy, moisturized skin.